Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Cute, soft, and squeaky. Guinea pigs are the favorite when it comes to a small pets. So, guys, first of all, thank you for your love and affection for my first videos. To keep showing this love in my upcoming videos as well. So, guys, guinea pigs make wonderful pets, but there is a lot more involved in taking care of a guinea pig than in taking care of a fish. So, guys, here are some things to know before you get one. Number one is guinea pigs need space. Yes, guys, there are many cages that are too small for your guinea pig. If you are buying even two, you should buy a little bigger cage so that they need a little floor space as well. Next thing is that guinea pig eat a lot. Yes, guys, guinea pigs eat about eighth of a cup of platelets and 1 cup of fresh vegetables per day. But a bulk of their diet is Timothy, Tihe, and they go through a lot of it. Next thing is that grooming. Yes, guys, guinea pigs need grooming. They brushing their body, cutting their nails, and having a good bath regarding it, and you should give them proper health checkups as well regarding it. There are many nail cutters available in Amazon as well. You can go and check it out from there. Next thing is this: guinea pigs are the social animals. Guinea pigs are social in the wild. In the wild, guinea pigs are herd animals. Most guinea pigs will not be happy by themselves. If you are thinking of getting a guinea pig, realize that you should need them in a pair. Next thing is that guinea pig have babies in a very young age. Yes, guys, guinea pig have babies in a very young age. Female guinea pig can be pregnant at starting about 3 weeks of their age. Next thing is that guinea pigs require particular cage cleanings. Okay, so here I am attaching a little kind of screenshot with me. If you are want these that how guinea pigs will be a good pet, you can take a screenshot of it. Okay, now the next thing is that you should take care of what guinea pigs are saying. Yes, guinea pigs should be noisy. Guinea pigs are social animals and vocalize a lot, sometimes quite loudly. They are popularly known as weaking, and a little squealing and whistling sound that makes when they are excited or when they need something. Next thing is that guinea pig need a particular cage cleaning. Their cage should be cleaned with a detergent soap and with some anti guinea pig shampoos regarding it. If you are not willing to buy a cage, then you can buy a little big fish aquarium so that they can be kept easily, or you can make holes from its sides so that they can ventilate that easily. So guys, I think that you will like this video. If you like this video, then please go and comment to this, and thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.